Hello everybody, it's me Asong Filipina, Asong V. Hello everybody, it's me Asong Filipina. Welcome back. So today I'm driving far. I'm driving far today, so I'm wearing these stiletto heels. And I'm gonna take this off since I'm almost home. And just quick. And proud to say my nails is red now, so I have a red nail polish. Just relaxing. I'm waiting for my friend, so he will come. I'm just relaxing a bit while waiting for my friend, so we buy vegetables here. Open the door. Yeah. Okay, she's here and we have to drive. I have to drive.